Today on Soccer Time, we're going to make a hole in a bubble. First, we're going to make our bubble solution. All you need is measuring cups and spoons, a jar or a container to mix in water, Dawn dish soap, and sugar. First, you're going to take 1 cup of water and pour it in. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it up. Measure out 2 tablespoons of Dawn dish soap and add it to your jar. Oh, now it's looking pretty. It's shot.
It's okay. All the way to the top.
Filled it to the tip.
Good job.
Gently mix. You don't want to make bubbles just yet. You want to let this bubble solution sit overnight for best results. Luckily, I already have some made. Let's get started. All you need is 4 straws, 4 pipe cleaners, a pair of scissors, and some thread.
No.
Now you're going to take your straws and cut off the bendy part of each straw. Now take your pipe cleaners and put them through each straw. Took years. Now trim the pipe cleaners so there's only a little bit at the end. This is difficult, so ask an adult. Now make a square with your straws.
Okay.
Now you're going to take your pipe cleaners and twist them together to make a frame. There you go. Cut some string and tie it in a circle. Now grab a dish and pour in your solution. Now take your frame and put it in your dish of bubble solution. Take your circle and get your circle soapy. Gently lift your frame. We got a bubble. Take your string, open it up in a circle, and gently drop it on the bubble. Now take something and poke the circle. See how the string pops into a circle? There's your hole. That's because of surface tension. The water in the bubble solution causes surface tension. It's pulling evenly on all sides of the string. Hole in a bubble! Oh. It's moving. The air inside the string is pushing, maximizing its surface area. The pushing of the air and the pulling of the surface tension work together to create such a cool effect. Isn't it amazing? Oh!
That's right. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. And now it's time for...
He likes bubbles.
Yeah, I like bubbles too, especially these. Check it out. It's like a snake.
These are super bubbles.
I don't think anyone likes bubbles as much as that guy. We were able to get multiple circles.
Don't pop it.
Give it a try and see how many you can do.
Okay.
It's on me. Hope you liked my video on Hole in a Bubble. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thanks for watching Tucker Time. Don't go just yet. Stick around for the laughs. Wait, something.
Okay. There are 2 holes. Okay, if you... No rest for the weary. Okay, put it in. Oh, we got 3 bubbles on there.
Legendary.
Do you want to do another one?
Let's do 5. Oh yeah, that's a big one.
2, 3. I'll try a 4th one.
Oh,
Gentle.
it's a snowman. Look at that. It's an upside down snowman.
Okay, 3. Hold on. I give up.